Vivo is gearing up to launch the Vivo X Fold 5 and Vivo X200 FE in India on July 14th at 12 p.m. IST, following their recent introductions in China and Taiwan, respectively. Both smartphones are set to feature Zeiss-backed triple rear camera systems, promising enhanced mobile photography capabilities. The Vivo X Fold 5 will sport a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra-wide shooter, while the Vivo X200 FE will come equipped with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. These devices will also house powerful batteries, 6,000mm arrays for the X Fold 5, and 6,500mm arrays for the X200 FE with fast charging support of 80W and 90W, respectively. The X Fold 5 will be available in titanium gray with a possible white variant, and the X200 FE will come in amber yellow, frost blue, and luxe gray color options. According to tipster Abhishek Yadav, the Vivo X Fold 5 will be offered in a single 16GB plus 512GB configuration, priced around Rs 149,999, while the Vivo X200 FE is expected to be priced at Rs 54,999 for the 12GB plus 256GB variant, and Rs 59,999 for the 16GB plus 512GB model. The X200 FE will also feature a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, a 6.31-inch AMOLED display, Android 15-based FunTouch OS 15, and offer robust durability with IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance ratings. Measuring just 7.99 mm in thickness and weighing 186 g, the X200 FE combines sleek design with flagship-level performance. Both smartphones will be available for purchase through Vivo's official website and Flipkart, targeting users who seek premium hardware, innovative design, and cutting-edge mobile imaging.